Guys, and welcome to my update video for Project Zain. Now, I haven't been working on the project for about 2 months, and I want to give you guys a free retrospect on the ideas that have been going through my head and why I've taken a break for about 2 months. Now, I am going back to work on the project. Originally, I started working on the face, but I ended up scrapping the idea for the face right this second because I need to go back and work on the shoes. But there will be more update videos in the next 2 weeks to give you guys a more retrospect idea on what the series is really going to be about and more about Project Zain. Today, I've just come to inform you and to give you a more in-depth experience on what I'm going to be referring to as Project Zain. I said an update for Project Zain will be next week, but this is an in-depth discussion. To get to the main point, you guys who had saw this previous video, there has been a little bit done since then. And I know you guys saw the black gloves that I've done, but I decided to work on the feet, and I've actually connected the two pieces together rather than it being one piece next to each other. And it ends up looking better in my point of view, because it really does. Now, I am going to be adding a lot more to the design. I'm just using the graph to color this in. I am going to use this design, but I'm going to color this in probably by hand using a pad of some sort. Project Zain is going to be about multiple universes, inspired by multiple series. So if you guys are interested in this series or project, let me know in the comment section below. But I'll be happy to answer any questions. Now, to give you guys a more in-depth discussion, as I said before, Project Zain is going to be about multiple characters in multiple different universes. Now, Zain's universe is different from the rest of the other universes, and just as a bunch of other characters are going to have very different universes. So the main idea is you're going to start off with a character from one universe, and then we're going to switch to another universe for the different games. So, for instance, Zain's game may not be in the same universes as we're just going to call him Random Guy A's game. And across these experiences, you'll learn more about these characters and how they act and feel towards another. Some characters will end up crossing paths with another character. For instance, you may say Zain cross with Random Guy A or B across his adventure, because he may have to do one thing in his universe and go hop to another one to do something else. This is kind of an idea, but another thing about this video is I decided that I'm going to create a two-step process. I'm going to create an RPG, and I'm going to create a action game. And whichever people like more between the two, when I release a demo, because I'm going to release 2 demos at once, and give the person the option on what type of gameplay there would be. Now, for everybody, if you like a certain playstyle or certain thing, I'm going to accept viewers' comments. This is just to give you guys an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm going to build 2 engines, and I'm going to see which engine everybody likes more for a particular series, and I'm going to go that route. Now, before I leave off, I am going to show you guys the shoe. I am going to be basically going through what I've done, just a minor update. I decided to change that little bit on the hand where it was sticking out so much. I am going to be updating the project constantly, so I hope you guys are willing to see the new updates on my channel in my new series. Welcome to Project Zain, and enjoy the quality work of what we do. Peace out, rate, subscribe, tell me how you feel, and chillax. This is Steve-O signing off with Steve-O Productions.